Stay. Hi, my name is Ana Milena Parra Esteban. I'm 32 years old. Actually, I'm studying business administration at UNA in Bogotá. In my last vacation time, I was in Cartagena, Colombia. It was amazing and the city is a beautiful place to know. The weather is very nice. It is hot sun all days. The people is very kind and the food is very delicious. I host there with my family, my old son, my daughters, and my husband. I'm going to visit Paris, France because I like that city and I go like to walk Eiffel Tower and the day sun photos the way my husband also. I like to eat spaghetti and drink some wine. In think I am going to Paris next year. Thank you.